Hello, today I'd like to tell you about the journey with the Kura Mat. We've been selling it now for about 15 years. We came across Kreiberg, which is a European company in Germany that make very high quality rubber matting for the agriculture sector. We first started with the 12mm one, and then we advanced to the Kura, which is 24mm with a stud underneath. In the last 3 to 5 years, we did change to the Kura 25mm product. Now the extra mill we put onto the surface on top, which gives you added grip. So with the Kura, we're using used quality tyres, re-vulcanised with the heat process, coming up with a quality mat that's going to last the distance. The other thing about the Kura is the versatility of it. We use it for cows, horses, deer, the list goes on. If you'd like a copy of our catalogue or a sample or both, we're happy to send them out to you free of charge. Or if you'd just like to call and have a chat about the Kura Mat, you're more than happy to talk it over with you. Thank you.